Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. Today I'd like to share with you my customer appreciation products for August 2021. If it is not August anymore, you're welcome to check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. So in August, when you purchase through my online store, at different levels you can earn different products. So let's just quickly talk about those products, and then we'll make this cute card using those products. So the first level is $50, and this is a great level to start with, especially in August, because Stampin' Up! Is going to be having another celebration between August and September of 2021. So with a $50 order, not only are you going to receive this free product from me, but you'll also be able to choose a free product from Stampin' Up! So make sure to check that out online. So with the $50 order, you're going to receive these cute embellishments called Cute Stars. And they are adhesive-backed sequins in a star shape. And you can see how those colors change in the light. They're like iridescent. So the next level is a $100 order. And at that level, you're going to receive this black and white gingham ribbon. And it's just a nice size. It's about 1/4 of an inch wide. And it's got that black and white fun feeling that you can use for Halloween or really any time of the year. You're also going to receive the Cute Stars as well with a $100 order. And from Stampin' Up! You're going to be able to choose either 2 $50 items or one $100 item from the Celebration catalog as well. Then with a order of $150, you're going to also receive the Cutest Halloween Stamp Set. And this is just a really fun stamp set. You can make lots of different things with it for Halloween. You could even use it for fall with the pumpkin, and they've got some little leaves here. So it's kind of a versatile but still seasonal stamp set. And you're also going to receive these items with a $150 order as well. So let's go ahead and make this cute card where I've used all of these products together. To begin, let's start with our stamping. And so again, we're going to be using the Cutest Halloween Stamp Set. And I also want to mention that it has a coordinating punch, and this punch is called Halloween Punch. So I found that the easiest way to stamp and punch these images is to actually punch first. And now I'm going to use my Stamparatus to get a perfect image on my punched out shapes. And the way I do this is by taking my stamps and lining them up inside the openings of the leftover cardstock. And I can do all of them at the same time. And then once I have them positioned, it is really easy to make multiples of them. So once I have them where I want them, I'm going to pick them up and ink them up just really quick and stamp inside those punched out shapes just to make sure I don't need to make any little adjustments. It looks like I could probably do my ghost again. It needs to be just up a little bit higher. We'll try that. And we'll stamp it one more time. Okay, that's a little bit better. And then what you do is you take your punched out shapes and fit them back into those holes. Then you'll ink up your stamps. And then go ahead and close your Stamparatus. Look at how good those look. Okay, so now I'm just going to freehand stamp the inside colors. And I'm going to use, for this kitten, Highland Heather. And I've stamped off and then stamped on to give it a lighter color. Then I'm going to use pumpkin pie for my pumpkin, and we're just going to do the same technique. And then for my ghost, I'm going to do smoky slate. And this just gives a nice light gray color for the inside. Then for the inside faces, I'm just going to stamp those again in Memento ink. I love these cute little happy faces. They just really add so much fun character to these images. Okay, so those are now ready for my card. So before we put our card together, I just want to share with you some of this cute paper that I'm also using on my card as a background. So there are 8 designs and you get 6 of each. They're 12 by 12. Look at that cute bat one. This paper is called Cute Halloween, which is totally appropriate since this paper is adorable. So each sheet is double-sided. One side is colored and then the other, they're all black and white patterns, as you can see here. So I really love this paper and it's really been fun to play around with. So I just have a card base of white cardstock and I'm going to add one of those patterns to the front. It's been cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is a full-size card base front. So it covers the whole thing. Then I've got an 1 3.5 inch strip, and I'm just going to cut it at an angle. Then I have a piece of cardstock in Highland Heather, and it has been cut to 2 3/4 inches by 3 inches, and I've stamped the cute little spider image on that in Highland Heather as well. And then this is just going to go in the center. Then I'm going to use this cute black and white gingham ribbon, and I'm cutting it at 9 inches, and I'm going to add it over this black strip. And I'm just going to place a little adhesive to hold it in place. Then I'm going to take a pair of paper snips and just trim each end at an angle. So it's going to look something like that. Next, I'm going to take my greeting, and I have stamped it in Old Olive and cut it out with a 1 1/2 inch circle. I've added it with dimensionals to my card. Then I'm going to place the cute little guys that we've stamped around the greeting, and they're also added with dimensionals. And then last, we're going to add those cute stars to the card, and make sure to go underneath these and pick up the adhesive at the same time. So I'm going to place these, about 3 of them, on my card. Let's actually add this one to the label so that it shows up just a little bit more. And that card's all done. Such a cute and simple card design using the Cutest Halloween bundle. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this fun card today. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images of this card, or getting more information about my customer appreciation products, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.